I'm going to be telling you about a couple of funding pips discount code. Now I'm going to show you 3 websites where you can get discount for funding pips. First up is called No Key here. If you want to go to this website, it'll be this URL up here. Now, if you want to actually go here, you can see this is what it would look like. There's coupon codes like 5% off, and then there's a big 90% off here. There's also 5% off, 75% off. If you want to get this code, just tap on this button here to get this code. And you can see this is the code you can see. If you want to use it, just go to findingpips.com and then copy and paste this code right here, right? The next website I'm going to show you is called propfirm.match.com here. Now you can see there's a couple of codes here, but some of these are not funding pips. You have to scroll until you find it. Here, 5% off, same code like before, match here. So you can see it's the same code, so you can be sure that it'll work. So this is the website. You can see there's not just funding pips, there's a lot of other websites here as well. The last website I'm going to show you is called the Trusted Drop here. Now you can see on funding pips, this is what it will look like. You can purchase account here. If you copy the coupon code to get up to 5% off, you can copy the coupon code right here, copy coupon, and then your copy coupon code will be signed up and be pasted onto your clipboard here, right? You can use a referral code here as well. This is the coupon code, and then that's it. You're done.